He Bible Deuteronomy li hanga hajini. Tangkuno bi tangkuna ka matai la kani shi tangku ko ka sai ga solution di ak ra bai di ja ka ni. Shi na ga u chai na ga u bi jang. He Nathum ne he te ko ji ka. Bible ja ban na mong shu ne da kan ka sa bai le jang. Believer aga sa na i va jang. Nan in the ki kan de u ra jang. Yeng la ka na ki te le. Ari hu mu shu de le de. Example sa da iram ka thali yang iram ka thali Nepali upam ga citizenship khu hai pesa ma athu le hai athu le ithu pesa su shet athu pesa le ji ithu ma le ji last le ka thali da ra ka da dak samura tang khu contact si de na ga contact si de jang ukhuli shimpara me yang na dugan kya ga sad le da kiba responsibility lakla ithu ma nim la rules and regulation hilimo khu na rang la ga ma se mai bai hikta hi de Aru issue in Nagali, issue India, issue Manipuri, ithum Naga integration li sadak li jadi ni yukang de dinga taradle. Athuma firstly Nathum li hida da athum rachang laga yang athum ramung ra jidak le ji magning bing ramung ra jidak le ji jide na I aru sita dak le de hi reality page te ni agawi alung ishinaga wi army agana lisa limang awida Yaga na tada tax kilas how the no nin maring a park with 10 tickets rather like a really today na eva yang jana chikta we concept chikta ga pani ni chuji ra to le was also jang or new generation li ralo nagali Khokha sacrifice hase rectify salaga nan maring phatula personally mutu ba jil ila sensor hey naga ut thanabi namam tham tho mutu ila kilingali support sa jo Nele jili tu support sang se ju bangko jang concept ka khang dem ni idumi naga wi khrajan hi Bible li rajade.
A lady went to the pastor of the church and said, "I won't be attending church anymore." Surprised, he said, "May I ask why? I see people on their cell phones texting and typing during the service. Some are gossiping, some aren't living right, some are sleeping, some are staring at me." The pastor was silent. Then he said, "Can I ask you to do something for me before you make your final decision?" She said, "Sure. What's that?" He said, "Take a glass of water and walk around church 2 times, and don't let any water fall out of the glass." She went and got the glass of water and walked around church 2 times. She came back and said proudly, "It's done." The pastor then asked her these questions. Did you see anybody on their phone? Did you see anybody gossiping? Was anybody living wrong? Did you see anyone sleeping? She said, "I didn't see anything because I was focused on this glass so the water wouldn't spill out." He told her, "When you come to church, you should be just that focused on God so that you don't fall. That's why Jesus said, 'Follow me.' He did not say, 'Follow Christians.'" Moral of the story, we should focus on our own spiritual growth and relationship with God, rather than being distracted by the imperfections of others.
He won't go mine issue with Naga history that the late. Now Naga history niaga can you end the entire process now the future event haplagan and later legend matheihaira. You won't go mine niaga interest and actually he taiba in a responsibility commission in a patriotism later in a modu tarkar maksahida to the legend sasakine. Jani hiba na ina piko na ina punge na ina tamchitera min na ina tamchitera me ko tong ichuga sala aina pomse Bible li hin shika ji hine haga ito next step kirakla jibaji na ina seag saina so the kamaju targa saina